Hello everyone, we are back with April's newsletter. Inventory, all-time lows. Guys, there's no better time than now. If you've been thinking or have thought about selling your property in the next year, in the next 2 years, you want to take advantage of the situation that we're in. With inventory at all-time lows and buyer purchasing power never been better, do like a lot of the other folks have done in the last few months and take advantage of this situation and put your property on the market. Forget curb appeal, forget the tile. Don't worry about if the tenants are giving you a hard time. We can help make this work. Timing is everything and timing is imperative. It's our job to help get you the most amount of money we can in the most efficient way as possible. Guys, if you're looking to sell a property, reach out to us. We've never seen a better market than this as far as selling right now that we're in right now. Buyers, rates, all-time lows. Purchasing power, never been better. This is the time when, if you're ready to go, let's reevaluate, let's readjust your pre-approval to see what you qualify. Maybe 6-12 months ago you qualified for $250. Now, since rates have come down, you may be up to $300K. We just don't know. It's no better time than now to kind of move things forward and get you to that point. Other than that, guys, the brokerage itself is doing really well. We've got over 7 offices with over 140 agents right now. Our agents are looking to help people throughout Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and Connecticut. We're always looking to add agents and always looking to add good producing agents that are looking to be coached and looking to help increase their production. So at the end of the day, April was a great month. Looking forward to a great May, and hopefully everyone is having a fantastic start of 2021, and we look forward to seeing you in May.